Hey everyone, if Brave browser audio is not working, no sound is coming from videos, or everything is completely silent, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to restore sound in Brave again. First, make sure your system volume is turned up. Sometimes the browser is fine, but the device itself is muted or too low. Next, check if the tab or website is muted. Yeah, Brave allows individual tabs to be muted accidentally. Now close Brave completely and reopen it. This fixes temporary glitches that can block audio playback. Make sure your correct audio output device is selected. Sometimes sound is sent to the wrong speaker or headset. Some extensions can interfere with media playback, so temporarily disable extensions and check if audio starts working again. Brave shields can sometimes block media elements needed for audio playback. Yeah, try turning shields off for the site you're using. If audio is still not working, corrupted cache or cookies might be the cause, so clearing browsing data can fix playback issues. Make sure Brave is updated. Outdated versions can cause bugs that affect audio playback. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. This replaces corrupted files and restores normal audio functionality. And that's it. One of these solutions should help fix Brave browser audio not working and bring your sound back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.